Everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I decided to take a ride over to Costco the other day to see what they had for spring and Easter in their dessert department. And while I was there, I found some other very interesting things. Look at this picture. These are Legos. Yes, you make all little spring Lego plants. And this is a Lego bouquet of roses. I had to look twice. I said, these are Legos? But apparently they're botanical collection. I thought they were awesome. So stay tuned if you'd like to see some of the other fun things I found. And yes, that is yours truly, dressed as the Easter Bunny. As I entered the store, there was a big display of blueberry lemon loaves. And I thought, they look good, but I'm not really a blueberry person. I know they're good for you, but they just don't float my boat. Until, well, there was a girl giving out samples. And let me just tell you, I changed my mind in a heartbeat. Those loaves were delicious. They were big, moist, not too sweet, and only $8.99. Then I noticed what they called mini carrot cake muffins with cream cheese icing. There was 6 in the box for $9.99. They didn't look mini to me, but they were decorated for Easter, which was nice. If you've been to Costco, you know that they are known for their big pies. They have all different kinds, and they were featuring these big homemade style apple pies, and they were only $12.99. Don't they look good? A while back, I did a video on Costco's new chocolate mousse peanut butter pie. This baby weighs 5 pounds. It's rich. It is delicious. It's $19.99 and it's worth every penny. And yes, I bought one. Check out these big New York style cheesecakes. They were $18.99 and they had a big case of them. And then I spotted this one. It's a lemon meringue cheesecake. That was a little bit more money. It was, I think, $21.99. But I'll tell you, my mouth was watering. They look good, and people were buying them. So my guess is they probably tasted good. Next, there was a box of 9 morning buns. Great for a cup of coffee on Easter morning. And I believe they were $8.99 for the box. Check these out. They were in the refrigeration department. They were Black Forest bar cakes for $14.99. My only regret is that I left without buying one. My birthday is this coming Saturday, March 30th, the day before Easter. And I have a rule, I never bake my own birthday cake. So that's one of the reasons I went over there, to pick up a cake. So I did get the chocolate one that says happy birthday, but then they had vanilla ones. I think they were a few dollars less, but well worth it. Costco is known for their big bakery size muffins. They have all different flavors, and you buy 2 boxes basically for the price of one. So for $9.99, you can mix and match them, and you get technically 12 of these big muffins. Costco always has these when I'm in the store, but they're like over 2 pound banana nut bread. They're big, very big, and I'm trying to remember what the price was. I'll let you know as soon as I see it. I can't remember, but I'm sure they're worth every penny, and they're going to last a while because, like I say, they're $11.99, and that's a lot of banana nut bread. They are big. And here comes the rugulas. They came in all different flavors, and they were $10.99 for a large container. And here's the chocolate chip brioche milk rolls. Oh boy, do they look yummy. And if you like the little fancy Italian cookies, these were $7.99 for almost a 2 pound container. And holy moly, the whole back wall was full of little bites. Yes, they had I think the birthday cake ones and the chocolate chip ones. There were boxes, and more boxes for $11.69. In the bakery section, where they have the bagels and all the different kind of breads, they had roasted garlic bread. And who doesn't love those black and white cookies? $6.99 for a container. And I think there was around 2 pounds or more of cookies in them. It'll be very rare if you don't see a carton of homemade chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, and other cookies in everyone's cart. And look at these macarons, $14.99 for this big box, all flavors and colors. Wouldn't they make a nice hostess gift? And a 6-pack of sea salt caramel cheesecakes, for $10.79. And look at these individual tiramisu. One for everybody. And Junior's Little Fellas, mini cheesecakes in 3 different flavors, $11.49. And have you ever heard of these? These are called tuxedo butter cakes. And as I continued to walk around the store, I found a lot of random things. This is a cinnamon swirl butter coffee cake. These were plastic glasses with candy in them. And these were gelato macaroon sandwiches. They looked good. They were in the refrigerator or the freezer department. And these were bars. $12.79. They were a set, and they each had different flavor fillings in them. And are you kidding me? Animal crackers dipped in peanut butter and chocolate. Did I buy them? What do you think? And then there was big bags of jelly beans. And if you have kids, the Squishmallows, they had lots of those. They were $21.99 and a big selection to pick from. Be cute in the kids' baskets. And I don't know about you, but when I was a little girl, my mom always put an Easter bonnet on me and we got all dressed up. So they had great dresses for the young girls. And now read this sign. Costco sells wines and liquors, and this is the first time I noticed a glass case with this sign on it. I've never seen it before. And what it is, it's on the special case that has the very, you can see it up top there, expensive bottles. I mean, $400 and $500 and more. And here's some of the aisles where they have all their different kinds of wines and liquors and sangrias and, I don't know, just about everything you could think of that you would want to drink. And now these were pretty, the hyacinth. They came in potted in straw baskets, and I thought they were beautiful. And then this caught my eye as I was getting ready to check out. I thought these would be great for a young girl's Easter basket or a little love gift. They were so cute. They were gift boxed, and there were 12 makeup sponges, all set up to look like they were a Hershey bar. So I thought that was adorable. Now for $4.97, these were sets of 16 Easter egg decorated cookies. So thanks for watching my little dessert tour of Costco. There was only one little thing I was disappointed in. Other than the carrot cake muffins, really none of the baked goods were decorated for Easter. It was a little disappointing. But anyway, I'm sure they're delicious, and from the Easter Bunny and moi, we want to wish you a very happy and blessed Easter. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe and that little bell, because you'll definitely want to see my upcoming videos. So for now, happy Easter and toodles!